Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. My name is Bill, and I am aggravated. I am going to get to this power steering pump and see if anything devastating happened to it or if it's just the same old shit. So, anyway, I'm going to zoom through the removal of said radiator, grill, and so I can get to the pump. So here we go. Why don't y'all follow along? So much fun. No fun, no excitement. Looked at everything. O-rings look fine. The vanes all look good. I mean, there's no scoring or nothing like that. There's a little bit of metal flaking up in there. I don't know what that's all about. But the pump is all here. I mean, I don't know. I guess I just don't know. So, let's see if I can find where that goofy. Oh, you know what? That tag came off. Anyway, I will put the pump number up on the screen. If any of y'all know of a pump, if either just this, something I can mount it to the original housings, fine. I can use my gear, is fine. But I'm sick of it. I'm needing to replace it because it almost looks like that damn seal is gone again. Without pulling that out, I mean, that's kind of what it looks like. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for watching my fiasco video. I'm tired of this power steering. If any of you know what pump will work, tell me how to look it up and get it, so I can order one. Otherwise, I can order this one from Vickers, and they want 700 or 750, something crazy. And I mean, okay, if I've got to, I got to. If that's the normal price, so be it. Just a reminder, this pump going out isn't Waterloo Specialties' fault. This was Bill Bowen's fault for driving the truck nearly 30 miles with no power steering fluid. I know enough to be dangerous. That is God honest truth. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for the comments, the positive comments, and I mean, I look at all the comments, and if they're legit, I take it to heart. So I never claimed to be, a deuce mechanic, by no means. I can muddle my way through it though, and that seems to be just the way I like to do it. So, but I'm getting tired of banging my head on the wall on this one. So anyway, help a brother out. Anyway, so I'm getting ready to jump in the pool because I'm fed up, I'm tired. Anyway, we'll see y'all in the next video.